Hello everyone, welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. In this video, we'll talk about taking remote access of a computer. If you are into technical industry or you are somewhere associated with IT, so it is a regular requirement where you have to take systems on remote, and it takes time, and it takes some efforts, and there are so many issues that need to be fixed. So today I'll tell you the easiest, one of the fastest ways to take a system online and with remote access, obviously. So first of all, you have to do is search a software. This is going to be the small software. However, like there are many other options that you have. If you want to take remote access, if you want to take screen access of a computer, you can use Skype. You can also share screen on various other screen sharing software like Microsoft Teams, and in Zoom also you can share your screen. So here we are not talking about sharing just screen, we're talking about taking remote access. For that, all you have to do is search for AnyDesk. This AnyDesk software is available from anydesk.com. If you click on it and you search, okay, this is a 3.9 MB file. It won't take even a minute to get downloaded on your system. All you have to do is just click on this download button and the file will be saved on your PC. So just remember, anydesk.com is the URL, and since we already have the file downloaded, all you have to do is this. So this icon will be available as soon as you download. You just click on this icon or this exe file, and as soon as you click, you'll get this kind of a screen which talks about the IP address. This is my IP address for reference. In case I want to take somebody else's screen, these are the screens that I have taken access to. For example, I want to take access of this specific computer. All I have to ask the customer or the user to provide me this user ID on the top left corner. In my case, it is this. So this changes with location. If you have fixed IP or you have dynamic IP, depending upon that, this value will be available. So all you can do this, you can simply click on this. As soon as you click, since the client is offline, so it won't be available. And if the client is online, it will ask for permission. As soon as they provide you permission, you will have total control of client's PC. You can for example, you are rotating, you're dragging your mouse, the cursor will move accordingly, and similarly other things will happen. You can actually use an application on the PC, fix a problem, and there's a lot you can do. All you have to ask for is the IP address of their computer and gain access, obviously with their approval. If they reject the request, you will not get it. So it is a kind of a secure application that you can use to gain access of any computer you want. So thank you very much guys for watching this. Do subscribe to this channel because we're gonna come up with a lot of similar videos, technical videos, and other than that, we have the Photoshop course coming up soon, and some other stuff, some good stuff. So click on the subscribe button and do like this video if you gain some knowledge out of it. Thank you very much.